today we're going to walk on the egg. So, I was just going to step her both of her feet.
It's getting...
Look at that! It didn't break. Now go back. And you will see that none of the eggs have crashed. Now I'm going to try and walk on the eggs by myself. Look at that! And you see none of them are crashing. Well, the egg has a dome shape. On the top of the egg, it has a dome shape. And it spreads the weight. That's why it's really strong. You can even try it with your hand. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Please click the subscribe button down there so you can check out all my videos next time. Hi, I'm Sarina the Scientist. I'm Sarina the Scientist. Today we're going to do the experiment of the... Hi! I'm Sarina the Scientist.